Okay. Good afternoon, everybody. Today, as you all are aware, we've gathered here to celebrate third anniversary of DC Live, third birthday, basically. So, we at Kapu have decided to name our show as Kapu Connect. Hello and welcome to Kapu Connect. We are glad that you've all tuned in. So we want to begin this program by invoking a divine presence. Hence, we would request Rakshita Amin to sing a prayer song for us. Okay, Rakshita is taking a moment to join. Meanwhile, let me just give you the list of programs that we have planned for you today. First one would be a solo dance by Tanisha. Next, we have a wonderful yoga performance by Anusha Kumari and a song by Mithali and Jayalakshmi. Karate performance by Trisha and Tanisha. Song by Dhanushri and a group dance to end with. Um, so, we have many of our Kapu friends here online. Jyotika, good afternoon. Diksha.
Good afternoon.
Yes. So, Jyotika, do you want to
Good
share?
afternoon.
Good afternoon, Diksha. Do you want to share anything about the program that we have planned today? What do you think? What are you expecting? How do you think the program is going to be?
Okay, I'm very excited to see what's happening, Vismaya. To be very frank, the list of program what you have shared with the collaboration.
Yes, yes, Srilekha.
So
Okay.
there is a welcome song, there is a dance performance, and there is a group dance, group
Yes.
singing. Everything is filled, and I'm also like very eager to know. Trisha is doing to do karate, right?
Yes, yes.
Oh my God, Trisha, how many of them you bet so far?
No, they all are busy practicing their moves right now.
Oh, okay, fine. I think that should be one of the martial art where we can teach our women teams on DC. I mean on
Yes, yes, which
DC
is more
live.
important these days.
Yeah, yes. So one to safeguard ourselves and one to also like take a revenge when we want. Like.
Okay, so Srilekha.
Yeah. Yes, yes, Vismaya.
Okay, so Srilekha, Rakshita Amin is ready with here.
Okay.
She's going to kickstart our program with a prayer song.
Sure,
Over to
sure.
you, Rakshita.
Thank you. Thanks, Rakshita. Thank you so much. Please.
ಕಣ್ಮನ ತಣಿಸುವ ಚಿನ್ಮಯ ಮೂರ್ತಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಪ್ರಣಾಮಗಳು. ಸರ್ವ ವಿಘ್ನವ ಕಳೆದು ಶುಭವನ್ನು ನೀಡುವ ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಶನಿಗೆ ಗಜಾನನ. ಕಣ್ಮನ ತಣಿಸುವ ಚಿನ್ಮಯ ಮೂರ್ತಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಪ್ರಣಾಮಗಳು. ಏಕದಂತನೆ ವಕ್ರತುಂಡನೆ ಸುರಮುನಿ ಪೂಜಿಪನೆ. ಪಾಶಾಂಕುಶಧರ ಸೃಜನಾ ಸಂಪ್ರೀತನೆ ಕರಗಳ ಜೋಡಿಸುವೆ ಗಜಾನನ. ಕಣ್ಮನ ತಣಿಸುವ ಚಿನ್ಮಯ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಮೂರ್ತಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಪ್ರಣಾಮಗಳು, ಪ್ರಥಮ ಪ್ರಣಾಮಗಳು, ಪ್ರಥಮ ಪ್ರಣಾಮಗಳು. Thank you.
Lovely, lovely, Rajita. That was such a
Very, very
wonderful.
lovely.
That was such a wonderful performance. Now let's begin this show with Tanisha's dance.
Okay.
This is solo dance by Tanisha.
So there is also treat for not only for the ear, even for the eyes, I believe.
Yes. One ice cream for the eyes.
Yeah.
Tanisha, ready?
Yeah, I would be glad to hear before she starts if she's ready. It's getting ready.
Yes, it is
So,
getting ready.
like, how was the plan and how you guys work together? And would you like to share on that by the time teams are getting ready?
They are. Okay, you're able to hear the audio, right?
Yes. I could. We couldn't see her because of the light clarity behind her.
All light off. So that was a wonderful performance, Tanisha. Can we now have Anusha Kumari, who is going to mesmerize us with her yoga performance?
Vismaya, I have a request here. So maybe like after once all the show gets done, right? It would be great if participants could talk with us for a few seconds if possible.
Done.
Thanks.
Thank
Thanks.
you.
Thanks. Vismaya, yeah. Okay.
Ready? Ah. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Garudasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Veerabhadrasana. 1, 2, 4, 5. One, 4, 5, 6. Trikonasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Parivrata Trikonasana. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Vajrasana. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Lovely Anusha Kumari, thank you so much. Can we all put our hands together for her?
Thanks, Anusha. Thank you so much.
We now call upon Mithali and Jayalakshmi for a song. Mithali and Jayalakshmi. Yes. Wait.
Vismaya, you can also make up to sit in front of Meet if you want. Instead of
Yes.
away.
आदि ज्योति बन्यो परम ज्योति बन्यो आदि ज्योति बन्यो नन्ना परम ज्योति बन्यो प्रभु ज्योति बन्यो नन्ना परम ज्योति बन्यो मंटेद लिंगु बन्यो ಮಂಟೇದ ಒಡೆಯ ಬನ್ಯೋ ಅಯ್ಯಪದವನಾಡೋ ನಾಲ್ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ಬಂದದ ಗೋಧರ್ಮ ಗುರುವೇ ಸಿದ್ದಯ್ಯ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಬನ್ಯೋ ಮಂಟೇದ ಲಿಂಗಯ್ಯ ನೀವೇ ಬನ್ಯೋ ಆದಿಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಬನ್ಯೋ ಪರಂಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಬನ್ಯೋ ಆದಿಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಬನ್ಯೋ ನನ್ನ ಪರಂಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಬನ್ಯೋ 12 ಕಂಡುಗ ಬಂಗಿಸೊಪ್ಪ ತರಿಸಿ 6 ಕಂಡುಗ ಹಸಿ ಸುಣ್ಣ ಬೆರೆಸಿ ಅಯಬಾರದಪ್ಪ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಬಂದದ ಗಗನ ನೀಲಿ ಸಿದ್ದಯ್ಯ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಬನ್ಯೋ ಪಾವಾಡ ಲಿಂಗಯ್ಯ ನೀವೇ ಬನ್ಯೋ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
That was amazing performance by Jayalakshmi. Can we now have Mithali? All right. Okay. So now we are moving on ahead since we don't have Mithali here. We are moving on with Trisha and Tanisha's karate performance. Trisha, please come on to the stage. Tanisha, you too. Thank you so much, Trisha and Tanisha. So, Srilekha, I just wanted to add a few lines here.
Yes, please.
I think women these days should, learn karate because it's a technique that can protect themselves physically and mentally. It can also boost their confidence and give them a personal safety. So, what is your opinion, Srilekha?
That's what I told you. No, eagerly I was waiting to see the Trisha's thing. That's what I was saying. I think it is needed for all the women, especially in the current days. No, we hear a lot of news, and people are now women are traveling at any time. We don't have initially we used to come back home before 6 or 7.
Yeah,
Now it's
yeah.
not like right. We leave the home at 10 o'clock, come back in the midnight or 3, 4 or something. So this is one of the things which all the women must know and must learn it. The basic things at least to
Okay.
safeguard themselves. That's what I
True. So karate is not just about women's safety. I even heard that it lets us bring out our stress and emotions. Promoting mental well-being. So
And
yes.
No, and also I would like to say, like these types of art will make us to feel more strong in inner as well as the thing like inner thoughts.
Correct.
And physically.
Correct.
Though we do our day-to-day activities, women have non-stop activities. When they are unique in one skill, right? It
Yeah.
can be a dance, it can be a sing or the karate, whatever it is. They feel like always a lifelong. They have achieved something. They are very strong and they feel like positive. So
Correct.
definitely everyone should have one talent. That's what I feel like.
Correct. And it also teaches us self-discipline and some kind of goal setting.
True. Agree.
Okay. So now let's move on to another song performance by Dhanushri. And after Dhanushri, we will have Rakshita Amin sing one more song for us. Dhanushri, are you there? Yes.
ಅರಳುವ ಹೂವುಗಳೇ ಆಲಿಸಿರಿ, ಬಾಳೊಂದು ಹೋರಾಟ ಮರೆಯದಿರಿ. ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಕಿರಣಗಳೇ ಬಣ್ಣಿಸಿರಿ, ഇരുൾ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬೆಳಕುಂಟು ತೋರಿಸಿರಿ. ನಾಳೆಯ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇರಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಳಲಿ, ಗೆಲ್ಲುವ ಭರವಸೆಯೊಂದೇ ಬೆಳಕಾಗಲಿ. ಮನವೇ ಓ ಮನವೇ ನೀ ಅಳುಕದಿರು, ಮಳೆಯೇ ಬರಸಿಡಿಲೋ ನೀ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿರು. ಅರಳುವ ಹೂವುಗಳೇ ಆಲಿಸಿರಿ, ಬಾಳೊಂದು ಹೋರಾಟ ಮರೆಯದಿರಿ. ಮನಸ್ಸು ಎಂಬ ಕನ್ನಡಿಯು ಒಡೆದು ಹೋಗಬಾರದು, ಬಾಳು ಒಂದು ಗೋಳು ಅಂತ ಓಡಿ ಹೋಗಬಾರದು. ಯಾರಿಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ನೋವಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರಿಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾವಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಲ ಕಳೆದ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾಯವಾಗುವಂತದು. ಉಳಿಪೆಟ್ಟು ಬೀಳುವ ಕಲ್ಲೇ ಶಿಲೆಯಾಗಿ ನಿಲ್ಲುವುದು, ದಿನ ನೋವ ನುಂಗುವ ಜೀವವೇ ನೆಲೆಯಾಗಿ ನಿಲ್ಲುವುದು. ಬಾಳೆಗೊಂದು ಅರ್ಥವಿದೆ, ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಗೊಂದು ದಾರಿ ಇದೆ, ನಿನ್ನ ಆತ್ಮಬಲ ನಿನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಇರಲು ಆಕಾಶವೇ ಅಂಗೈಲಿ. ಮನವೇ ಓ ಮನವೇ ನೀ ಅಳುಕದಿರು, ಏನೇ ಸಾಧನೆಗೂ ನೀ ಮೊದಲಾಗು. ಅರಳುವ ಹೂವುಗಳೇ ಆಲಿಸಿರಿ, ಬಾಳೊಂದು ಹೋರಾಟ ಮರೆಯದಿರಿ. ನೋವು ನಲಿವು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬಾಳ ರೈಲು ಕಂಬಿಗಳು, ನಡುವೆ ನಮ್ಮದೀ ಪಯಣ ನಗುತ್ತ ಸಾಗು ಹಗಲಿರುಳು. ಏನೇ ಬರಲಿ ಬಾಳಿನಲಿ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಒಂದು ಜೊತೆ ಇರಲಿ, ಏಳು ಬೇಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ದಾಟಿ ಏಳುತ್ತೇವಿ ನಾವುಗಳು. ಅವಮಾನ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗುಂಟು ಈ ಲೋಕದ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಎಂದು ಒಂದೇ ಆ ದೇವರ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಾಳೆಗೊಂದು ಅರ್ಥವಿದೆ, ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಗೊಂದು ದಾರಿ ಇದೆ, ನಿನ್ನ ಆತ್ಮಬಲ ನಿನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಇರಲು ಆಕಾಶವೇ ಅಂಗೈಲಿ. ಮನವೇ ಓ ಮನವೇ ನೀ ಬದಲಾಗು, ಏನೇ ಸಾಧನೆಗೂ ನೀ ಮೊದಲಾಗು. ಅರಳುವ ಹೂವುಗಳೇ ಆಲಿಸಿರಿ, ಬಾಳೊಂದು ಹೋರಾಟ ಮರೆಯದಿರಿ. ಬೆಳಕಿನ ಕಿರಣಗಳೇ ಬಣ್ಣಿಸಿರಿ, ഇരുൾ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬೆಳಕುಂಟು ತೋರಿಸಿರಿ. ನಾಳೆಯ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇರಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಳಲಿ, ಗೆಲ್ಲುವ ಭರವಸೆಯೊಂದೇ ಬೆಳಕಾಗಲಿ. ಮನವೇ ಓ ಮನವೇ ನೀ ಅಳುಕದಿರು, ಮಳೆಯೇ ಬರಸಿಡಿಲೋ ನೀ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿರು.
Thank you so much. It was so good. Thank you.
Thank you, Dhanushri. So here, Sri Lekha, I wanted to just outline a few reasons why women like singing songs, because I've heard that women feel empowered when they express their, they express their independence and self-expressions through
True.
songs. They are, women are usually emotionally very expressive, and they use songs as the only method to, display those.
Yeah.
Women also use songs to, frequently tell stories of love, heartbreak, and struggles. Through singing, women have even found that they are able to build strong communities together, creates bonds, and this creates a sense of community among women, I've heard. It's also a way in which culture gets preserved. So you must have heard it in the, in the period, in the Chola periods and all that. Women used to gather around the trees in the evening and sit down there and sing songs. That was the only method of entertainment way back then. This also helped, people preserve cultural heritage, traditions, and history. Now, through songs, women were also, holding identities back then. So this, also served as a some sort of healing and therapy. This was so therapeutic outlet for women who were always at home, taking care of the family, cooking, cleaning the house, and maintaining the society and things like that. So, what is your view, Sri Lekha?
No, I completely agree. Not to add anything what you have said. So 100% I agree what you say, Vismaya. So like no, women can express in various way when it comes as music and song, right? I think it becomes a double energy for them. I believe.
Yes, yes. They are able to, leave a legacy and inspire future generations to do
See, I
so.
also it may be it may be feeling funny, or I don't know how many of them have undergone with this real experience. The moment the people goes out of the home for the work, maybe anything, right? If she is alone at home, the first choice will be for her to song, listen to
Yes,
the
yes.
song,
Listen to
enjoy
songs.
to her loved movie or something. So first priority of the women's once the home is empty or when they are alone, right? They go for this option. I believe.
Exactly, exactly. So now we have one more song sung by Rakshita will be singing the song for us. Rakshita, are you
Okay.
there? Can I have Rakshita here? So, just to our listeners, women's songs are a vital part of human experience, offering a unique perspective and voice that deserves recognition and celebration. Today, along with celebrating DC Live, we are also celebrating each and every woman here who's with us at Desi Crew. And to be very specific, we are celebrating Kapu Connect through women here, basically. So let's looking forward for Rakshita to sing this song for us. So just to give you a glimpse of how the whole day was for us, is from morning we've only been thinking, who would begin the program, which way it would go. We have our team, the group dance team, practicing just 45 minutes, before the schedule, and we have people here constantly clapping for the participants. We have people supporting through windows, through all sorts of. Through all sorts of places. We now have Rakshita Amin before us. She's going to sing another song for us.
Yeah, sure.
Huh? Hola. Music on.
ಯಾದವನೀ ಬಾ ಯದುಕುಲನಂದನ ಮಾಧವ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ಬಾರೋ ಯಾದವನೀ ಬಾ ಯದುಕುಲನಂದನ ಮಾಧವ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ಬಾರೋ ಸೋದರ ಮಾವನ ಮಧುರಿಲಿ ಮಡುಗಿದ ಯಶೋದಿನಂದನ ನೀ ಬಾರೋ ಯಾದವನೀ ಬಾ ಯದುಕುಲನಂದನ ಮಾಧವ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ಬಾರೋ ಶಂಖಚಕ್ರಗಳು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಳೆಯುತ್ತ ಬಿಂಕದ ಗೋವಳ ನೀ ಬಾರೋ ಅಕಳಂಕ ಮಹಿಮಾನಿ ಆದಿನಾರಾಯಣ ಅಕಳಂಕ ಮಹಿಮಾನಿ ಆದಿನಾರಾಯಣ ಬೇಕೆಂಬ ಭಕ್ತರಿಗೊಲಿದು ಬಾರೋ ಯಾದವನೀ ಬಾ ಯದುಕುಲನಂದನ ಮಾಧವ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ಬಾರೋ ಕಣಕಾಲಂದು ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಜಣ ಜಣ ರೇಣು ತಲಿ ಜಣ ಜಣ ವೇಣು ನಾದದಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿನಿಕೋಲು ಚೆಂಡು ಬುಗಾರಿಯ ನಾಡುತ್ತ ಚಿನಿಕೋಲು ಚೆಂಡು ಬುಗಾರಿಯ ನಾಡುತ್ತ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಗೋವಳರೊಡಗೂಡಿ ಬಾರೋ ಯಾದವನೀ ಬಾ ಯದುಕುಲನಂದನ ಮಾಧವ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ಬಾರೋ ಖಗವಾಹನನೇ ಬಗೆ ಬಗೆ ರೂಪನೇ ನಗುಮುಖದ ರಸನೆ ನೀ ಬಾರೋ ಜಗದೊಳು ನಿನ್ನಯ ಮಹಿಮೆಯ ಪೊಗಳುವೆ ಜಗದೊಳು ನಿನ್ನಯ ಮಹಿಮೆಯ ಪೊಗಳುವೆ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲ ನೀ ಬಾರೋ ಯಾದವನೀ ಬಾ ಯದುಕುಲನಂದನ ಮಾಧವ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ಬಾರೋ ಯಾದವನೀ ಬಾ ಯದುಕುಲನಂದನ ಮಾಧವ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ಬಾರೋ. Thank you.
Lovely. Thank you so much, Akshita. So now, Srilekha, I just wanted to add a few lines here. What Rakshita just sang was a Janapada. Now, Janapada means Nattu Patru Pattu.
Okay.
Okay, so in Tamil it would be called as Tamil folk music or Nattu Pattu Pattu. So now this basically roots into the culture of, from wherever the song is being sung. Now since Udupi is basically about, Lord Krishna, his presence and things like that. So it is deeply rooted. Whichever community is singing this song, they root it to their gods, whomever they think their hero god is. And these are mostly about mythology, history, and everyday life. So there are different types of Janapadas that are being sung. But it is basically, you have accompaniments like, tappu, drum, cymbals, nadaswaram. All these accompany the performances. So now you must also be knowing that Nattu Patru Pattu encourages community participation, okay, in whichever, the community line the person belongs to. Everyone sings and dances together. Now, at this juncture, I would like to invite my team who is now waiting for a group dance performance. So can we have our group dance performers here, please? Hey, loud, loud. Okay, lovely, lovely performance, team. All right. So there's also an understanding of why women prefer dancing in team. So what happens is women like being choreographed and perform together as group because it emphasizes unity and cohesion. And preparing something in less than 15 minutes and presenting is something really great. I appreciate each one of these performers here. So Sri can I proceed with the program and ask a few riddles to any of these team members?
Yes. And before moving to the next segment, Vismaya, I would like to thank the entire group dancers who danced here. So when we do hours and hours of practice, right? So sometimes also we forget the step. I don't see that all the six didn't forget the step. It looks like they've been practicing for the long time and all. So the Josh, what they have given and the contribution. And I feel, actually we as a team were very special to get the performance on this special day. Thanks a lot. Yeah.
Yeah. So we now also have a Yakshagana performance by
Our
Srinidhi.
Srinidhi.
Yes, our Srinidhi. Yes.
Okay.
That was a mesmerizing performance by Srinidhi. Can we all put our hands together once more for her, please? So, Srilekha, have you seen how colorful Yakshagana costumes are?
Yeah, I'm watching Srinidhi for the last 5 years, to be very frank, Usmaya.
Uh-huh.
So I never miss her performance. So that's what the moment you said Yakshagana, I felt it should be 100% Srinidhi. So we have a very big fan team also for Srinidhi, where whenever there is any movement or summit or anything, so we'll be waiting. Is there a Srinidhi is in today, or is she's going to perform or something like that? So we missed her only when she was pregnant. So only that year we missed. So I think even very next year after the delivery, also in the very short period time she performed. So I do remember that too also. So thanks Srinidhi for engaging us. Thank you so much.
Indeed. Thank you so much, Srinidhi. So now we also have one more surprise performance. This is called as Billy Dance in Tulu. Which like in Tamil it could be called as Puli Vesham, Puli Atam, something like that. Okay. So
I think we did this during our summit time.
Exactly.
We came to Kapu and I think our team performed on the last day.
Okay. So what was your experience? Please share your experience, Srilekha, because
The
I wasn't.
music made us everyone to dance actually. People when they, I could see Vinod, Veena, Srinidhi, Trisha,
Okay.
a few more people who hosted the show. I'm not sure others the moment they started doing it, right? The whole people, other center people, DNX leader also joined together and they start performing like the music thing, the way the steps they involved in that music, right? It made the people also to move the moves with them. Like it was like that actually.
Okay. Did you see people with tiger costumes then?
No one came in the tiger costume, but I could see many tigers and tigers there on that day.
Okay. Now we are going to have some tigers and tigresses, I believe.
Oh.
Okay. So
Who's
now-
that? Who's that person? Can we have a name of the person who dressed up like tiger?
No
today?
one is dressed as a tiger or tigress, but we have people here who would be representing them.
Oh, great.
Okay, so those are energetic moments, the dance performing, the
Yes.
dynamic moments, which has lots of leaps, jumps, and twirls. Like it needs a lot of practice. And
Wide hands, legs, and are also open when they dance, right? The
Yes.
steps which shows it. dance.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
The dance is usually accompanied by rhythmic drumming, which drives energy for the performance. Okay, so can we have the dancers here, please?
Yeah, so slowly I could see that the TN Palyam team also joining. So TN Palyam team also will enjoy what Kavu is doing around.
Yes, yes.
Yes. We have Virupuram team also in, and we could see Kollu team also there, and
Okay.
Virupuram team also there. So to finally, all the teams, all the center participants are there inside.
Ready, ready. Start, start. Start, start, start. Clap, clap. All right. Can we now have a tiger performance, please? Tiger. Tiger, please come forward. so much. Thank you so much, the single tiger and the tigresses. I'm so proud of each and everyone's performance today. Sri Lekha, so please share your views. How did you like our performance? Kapu Connect.
No, I'm completely silent now. Like, no, peche illa அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க தமிழ்ல. I don't know how you say in Kannada. I think this word I should learn to say also. Like, no, to be very frank, everybody's performance was so good. No words to explain. And I know how was the toughest time everyone had from 1 p.m. to still now, whether Kapu, Kulu, and everybody have given their 100%. And within the short period of notice, right, it is impossible. But you people made it possible. So it was great, Vismaya. I think.
Lovely. We also have 100 plus listeners.
Yeah, 100 plus audience are there on the thing. That too, the collaboration of all the 4 centers. So
Yes.
that is what the hike of the radio, right? So
Yes.
when you perform and you get the other center participants also coming in and watching it, right? That is where the DC Live actually started, like to communicate and to reach out from people from the different place. And additionally, we have like 50 plus listeners on the live radio too.
Lovely, lovely.
We couldn't join because on the meet, only 100 can join. Like that's the reason. Yes. Very beautifully planned, Vismaya. Thanks a lot.
I must thank my team only for this because it
Yeah.
was them. As I call names, they come here. I am happily sitting and hosting this event. I don't have much to do here though. But anyways, thank you so much. Each one of you brought a unique strength and skill to the table, which was
Yeah.
which resulted in an outstanding performance. Thank you, each one of you, for your contribution. Looking forward to see more of such participations again in future. Thank you, Sri Lekha, for giving us this opportunity.
Sure, Vismaya. Thank you. And I would also will be so more kind and support if you same support give me at 5 p.m. show, which we have going to have our founder there on the live for 30 minutes, right?
Yes.
So looking forward for more questions from the team, where the new people can see gets an opportunity to meet her first time. Okay, so don't
Yes.
miss out. Everybody who knows Saloni already. She is like a great motivating person. She can answer any question what you want to learn in your life. So I
Yeah,
think
sure.
you will get a very very great time, 5 to 5:30. Don't miss out.
Yeah, so I would request everyone to join from their own systems or the PCs, if that is possible. And whoever is not able to join, please come to this hall. Seats will be arranged here. You can sit and listen to this to the talk.
Yeah, so Vismaya, when the seats are arranged, it would be great if you keep the camera on because she'll be joining in the video call only. So she'll be so happy, like looking that so many of people are from the different zone, they're watching her live. Yeah.
Sure. This is a promise from us, Sri Lekha. We will be there on camera. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
A big thanks to all the team who participated live, and thank you. A big thanks all.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
So I think